how to find missing GIF button on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on messages app. Now here, so click on conversation and open keyboard. So after click on keyboard, you will see click on this emoji. So after click on emojis, so you will see GIF is here, so click on GIF. So if you want to find missing GIF, so click on continue. So after click on continue, you will see GIFs is here. So after you will see, and if you want to open keyboard, so click on keyboard. So you will see keyboard is open. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can find missing GIF button on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.